Sitting here all alone on a throne, in a past life to bring me some pheasant, keep on the bone. Found my goblet up to the brim, sipping on me and then sprayed on my dress with a good lace trim, not very prim and proper. Can't make me stop, I wanna go hunting. Any takers, I'm not fakers, I've got acres and acres. Pit flow with my own witches, with my hands I release the witches. Every day, and I flower around and play, cause I'm a player. It's a moral, I live it for you. You said that I'll change you, cause I do like my profile picture too bad I don't agree. So I'm gonna hang it up for everyone to see. And you can't stop me, cause I'm the queen of the castle. Get down, you dirty rascal. Get down. Get down, you dirty rascal. Get down. Get down. Cause I'm the queen of the castle. When I get bored, I go to court. Pull up outside of my carriage, knock on a marriage, so I'll have an affair with a phone as he takes my phone. As you were making my way to the dance floor, some boys making it on stage. Them is my jam, comes in the mood, looking cute, dancing good. All eyes on me, no criticism. I look more at them with a realism. Dance so hard that I'm lost in a sensation. Okay, ladies, let's get in a reformation. You said that I'll treat you, cause I do love my profile picture too bad I don't agree. So I'm gonna hang it up for everyone to see. But you can't stop me, cause I'm the queen of the castle. Get down, you dirty rascal, get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Cause I'm the queen of the castle. I'm saying I'm a gold digger, but you're my breeder. And go figure. Got gold chains, symbolic message to higher power in a fast way. My voice is controlled at 10 miles an hour. Let me explain. I'm a British nurse, I'm not an English flower. No one tells me I need a rich man. Do my thing in my palace, you rich man. You said that I'll treat you, cause I do love my profile picture too bad I don't agree. So I'm gonna hang it up for everyone to see. That you can't stop me, cause I'm the queen of the castle. Get down, you dirty rascal. Get down. Get down. Get down, you dirty rascal. Get down. Cause I'm the queen. Get down. Cause I'm the queen of the castle.
Well done, Tia. Zoe, what do you think?
I absolutely loved that. It was so fun and unique and funky and current, and like what the girls have been saying to you, your song choices like this season have been fab. I'm loving them, Tia. So keep like what you're doing. The sass in that was everything. You absolutely owned that. And like earlier when we said to you about staying focused, you were then. So this is what we want to see now every Sunday. You've got to stay in that focus. Well done. Thank you.
Kelly?
Yeah, that was fab. Like that stage and that moment just belonged to you. I loved the accent when you went, I'm the queen of the cast. I genuinely believed you. I was terrified in that moment. You completely owned it. It was just brilliant. And then you flipped from like British accent to American accent to kind of suit the phrase of the song. I thought it was great. I absolutely loved it. The belt at the end, we don't get to hear you do much of your belting, but you really can controlled that really well. I'd like to see you sort of like explore that a little bit more. But I thought this was another fab song choice by you. I am really, really loving the direction that you're going in at the moment. You're definitely on the right path, lovely. Well done.
Thank you.
Tia, I'm laughing because I honestly, when you picked this song choice, look, what you just done up there, as you went midway, as you got halfway through and you threw the jacket now, I was waiting for that because I was waiting for a little bit more performance from you from the first part of the song, and it happened. And what I want to say is that even with that, keep getting more relaxed. Don't feel unnerved. You know when you're not on stage, and that's here that I see like outside and that be yourself 100% up there. Never ever go up there and think, right, I gotta go in singing mode. Bring that mode there, especially with a song like this. You could have tipped something over. You could have thrown the drink at me as far as I could say. But that's what I would have expected from it. But I can no. Yeah, just be careful of the equipment. But no, on a genuine matter, from what I said from your last performance in focusing more, I felt like you was more focused on what you had to do with this performance, where I mentioned perform a little bit more and things like that. So you did do it, and it was definitely a step forward from what I wanted to see. So well done to you.